So I'm going to start by doing a light brown smoky eye. So I'm going to take a brown eyeshadow, take whichever you like, and just pat it on your lids, your crease area, and then blend it in a circular motion. It's extremely important. I mean, take any color which suits you, but I think brown looks very natural, very subtle. After that, take your black kajal and apply it generously. Like, do it properly. This one is by Lakme and also Swiss Beauty. I think these kajals are absolutely amazing. Then I dip them in a black eyeshadow and I smudge it. आप जब भी अपना आई शेडो या काजल स्मच करोगे, it gives it more of a definition. Then I'm going to go ahead and use my mascara from Maybelline. I think mascara makes a huge difference, and this one is my absolute favorite. I don't like putting false lashes because this is a day look for lunch, for night, and if you don't want to go too much, then this is absolutely fine. Then I'm going to take my contour stick, and this one is cool tone. मतलब ये ज़्यादा brown नहीं होगा. This is just going to add warmth and depth to my face. And I don't want to make my face so cakey, so I'm also going to use a blush with a contour and then blend it both together. This one is from Nude Sticks. It's absolutely amazing, and just see, like, when you blend it together, your base won't be cakey. आप दो liquid products एक साथ blend कर रहे हो, so it's always nice. You shouldn't layer your face with too many products. And then I'm going to go ahead and use my concealer and just brighten this part of my eye and just conceal anything, any spots that I have. I'm going to use my fingers because the warmth of the fingers really help to blend the concealer, especially under your eye जहाँ पर area बहुत 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 sensitive होता है. And just see, it makes a huge difference. My face already looks nice and looks very soft and very subtle. Then take your powder. I'm going to take a finishing powder. I'm not going to bake it. I don't like it to look too white and too powdery. So I'm just going to take a nice powder and bake it. Then I used a nude lipstick from Huda. Whenever I do bold eyes, like, I just go with nude lips. I think it just complements the look. But then I decided to add a little bit of color. So I took this lipstick from K Beauty. This one was... I don't know, I'll write the shade in the description, and it just added a beautiful subtle color to the face, and it doesn't distract you from the eyes, and at the same time it looks very nudish. And then I'm gonna go ahead, take a glitter and just apply it on my eyelids, and you guys, this makes a huge difference. You can skip this part as well, but if you're going out and you want to add that little bit of oomph, and then I think this one is like stunning. Then I'm going to take out my rollers. I learned a new blowout routine, and I think this looks absolutely stunning. The more you keep your rollers for, the more your the crown area of your head, it just looks very, very nice. And that's it. We're done with the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments if you're did. And that's it. Thank you for commenting, thank you for subscribing, thank you for staying till the end of the video. This look can be used for a date night, if you're going out for dinner, if you have a meeting and you don't want to go like too heavy, but at the same time you want to sort of make an impression. I usually do this when I'm like just out, or even when I just feel like dressing up. I love you guys, and see you all super 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 soon.